Hey friends, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to insert text inside an oval shape in a Word for creative designs, labels, logos, diagrams, certificates, and professional document layout. Adding text inside shapes makes your document more attractive and visually organized. So let's get started. Now I want to add text into our oval shape. At first insert the oval shape, go to the blank page and create the shapes and select this oval shape, then draw the oval. Now I want to add text into oval shape. At first I change the color, go to the format menu, click the shape fill. Now I am select this color and click the outline, make no outline, click right button on the shape and click add text. We can see here show the cursor. Now I am write text on the oval shape, then select the text and go back the home menu and increase the size of the text. You can make it bold, italic, underscore, underline, etc. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.